I'm currently pursuing my fourth year in Vishwa Vishwani Institute of Systems and Management. I'm here at TalentSprint pursuing the AI Practitioners course from ACI. I got to know about TalentSprint through my college. TalentSprint has actually partnered up with my college to provide us fourth year students with guidance about cloud fundamentals and also placement opportunities. And this was something I was really interested in, and I thought TalentSprint was a good option. I was motivated to choose AWS Cloud specifically because I believe AWS is a very vast web service. Along with that, I feel like the certification itself has a lot of weightage, and I believe that it would help me further in my career as a cloud engineer. Managing TalentSprint in college has been very nice because the TalentSprint classes and my college classes have been divided through the week. I come to TalentSprint Monday to Thursday, and the timings are also very flexible, and the teachers are also very helpful. They help us understand and bring us up to speed, and they're also available off the schedule. I would like to describe this course. I would call it as something very hands-on, practical, and very essential. They provide all the necessary knowledge for you to understand what you're doing, and I would definitely recommend it to my juniors.